Today, like most days, has been slow. It's hazy outside, we've had rain all week, which has meant even less outside time. Another day tucked away from the rest of the world. I'm finding more joy in the little things now. Hanging the laundry out on the line, watering my plants, making coffee and watching morning cartoons like we did when we were kids. And I don't mind the slowness as much anymore. I'm grateful for this home that we have, the way I get to see the ocean every day, even now. I know most people don't have something like this. How beautiful is it that our earth is now being cherished, being noticed and valued for the incredibly wild playground she is, out of everything. I hope that stays. I really want to go for a walk or a skate or something today, so we might head off and do that soon before it rains, because I really do think it's going to rain. I mean, look at this. It just looks like it's on the cusp, you know? The rain came. Ugh. This is just like so classic our luck right now. The minute we're like, yeah, let's go for a walk, it doesn't look like it's gonna rain. That's okay. I guess today's just going to be an inside day. I'm going to just play some PlayStation. I bought Red Dead Redemption, but that's not going to be done for 15 hours. I'm going to play this other game that's called Journeys, which is actually free to download on the PlayStation Store. Daniel was playing it earlier and it looks really fun, so I'm just going to play that. Holy heck, it is pouring down. Look at this. No more, guys. It's me talking. So I may have finished that game in like an hour and a half or something like that, but I really loved it. It was so beautiful and so cute and really simple as well. I'm not a huge gaming person, but the games that I do really like are open world, places I can explore, beautiful scenery or landscapes or just environments. I love exploring environments in games, so this was really cool and really beautiful, and I can't believe that they're just giving it away for free. Like, that's so amazing. I'm kind of gamed out for now. I might make myself some snacks or something to eat. Or do some yoga. Maybe do some yoga. I should probably move my body today. I've done this for such a long time. I'm like slipping and sliding all over the place. So I'm not a very good skater. Maybe we'll skate around to the car park. Get in the shot. It's so dumb. Hidden. Let's just hope I don't slip and die. Ah. Hey, it's the coolest thing I've ever done. So, just got back from our walk slash skate. The camera ran out of battery, so we didn't get to film much on the way coming back, but we just pretty much walked back. It's spitting slightly, but it didn't rain, so we're winning. But I'm gonna start cooking dinner soon, and last week we actually got one of those food boxes that you get delivered to your door, and in it there was a whole bunch of produce that we don't usually cook with, and one of those things was a lamb rump. So I'm going to make a lamb roast, and I'm pretty sure my neighbors slash landlords have a rosemary bush just over this little trackway here, so I'm going to go for a little forage to find some rosemary so I can cook a tasty little lamb roast. Yes, success. It smells so good. I absolutely love all of the little side alleyways that, bit of rosemary on my lens, all of the little side alleyways that we have here in Piha. I swear I find like new things all the time. I just go for little wanders and you find the most random alleyways and you go for a walk down and there's rosemary sprigs everywhere. It's so wonderful. I love it so much. What am I doing? I freshly picked rosemary from the garden. I got my lamb rump and I'm going to do just like roasted lamb with broccoli, beans, and roasted potatoes. So we'll roast our potatoes first and then we'll get a move on everything else. I think the lamb rump, I've never cooked lamb rump before, so I'm hoping this turns out okay. We'll see. I haven't actually cooked a roast in a long time, so this will be fun and really yum. So it's Sunday roast. Oh my God, I'm making a Sunday roast. That was totally unintentional. I love this. Okay, I genuinely don't think I have the ability to talk and do this at the same time. So instead, let's just cut to some real nice B-roll of dinner being made and I'll see you when I get to eat it. Bye. There's any greater feeling than doing a nice yoga stretch, having a shower, washing your hair, making a cup of tea, and then just chilling. I'm really chuffed that we were able to go out and just get outside and roam around the streets a little bit. It's really quiet, really nice. I really enjoyed making this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and comment and subscribe if you like. Until the next one, be safe, be well, and have fun.